Hello, we are going to make samosa today. So अभी क्या एकदम वीकेंड है एंड इट्स रेनी सीजन आउटसाइड इज ऑल द टाइम सेम इन यूके. सो ऐसे में हम समोसा और चाय खाते हैं. तो अभी हम बनाते हैं समोसा, उसको दिखाते हैं कैसे बनाना है समोसा. मैं दिखाता हूँ बाहर क्या हाल है. चारों तरफ बादल हो रहे हैं. दे आर ऑल क्लाउड्स, दे कैन रेन एनी टाइम एज दे डू इन यूनाइटेड किंगडम. सो लेट्स हैव समोसा. इस समोसा बनाने के लिए मैंने इसमें प्लेन फ्लावर ले लिया. Then add little amount of salt. Okay, and we also need to mix oil or melted butter or ghee. It makes the skin of samosa very crispy. That's what you want our samosa to be. Then mix water and make a dough as we make for chapati. Now I got my very nice looking dough for samosa. I will keep it aside and let me make the filling for our samosa. Take little oil in a hot pan, then add little amount of mustard seed. Well, it's optional. In North India people don't eat mustard seed that much, so जरूरी नहीं है उसको ऐड करना. You can also then add cumin seeds in the oil, little more. Add turmeric powder, थोड़ी सी इसमें हल्दी डाल दी, थोड़ी सी और डाल देते हैं. Then add hing. Okay, very nice flavor. Just mix all this masala so that it's properly cooked in the oil. Then add coriander powder. It gives very good smell to our potatoes or any filling when we add this coriander powder. Then add these boiled potatoes and garden peas. I have boiled them already, so they are, I don't need to cook them for very long. And it is very important to add this amchur powder in samosa. That's how we get this crispy top layer and the खट्टा अंदर से आलू होता है. उसमें थोड़ा सा अपने हिसाब से लाल मिर्च डाल ली. You can also add green chili. I will add green chili. Just crush all these potatoes. In North Indian samosa, we want potato mash. I'm adding these green chilies and थोड़ा सा उसमें धनिया डाल दिया. Very nice smell comes. Just mix everything together. You can see that this samosa filling is looking very nice already. Add a little more salt to adjust to your taste. Just mix everything together. And I got little amount of paneer as well, so I will add these paneer pieces. You can add many other things like cauliflower and things, but this is the basic samosa stuffing. Just switch off the heat and keep it this stuffing separately in a plate. Then I already made this dough and start making like a big chapati. But the layer of this samosa need to be thick, so I have taken a thicker ball to make this chapati. And just cut this chapati into half. Take one portion in a hand and fill the stuffing. It's little tricky, but once you try one or two samosa, it goes very well, very easily. उसको एक साइड से पकड़ के उसको आधे से ज़्यादा में रख दिया और दूसरे को उठा के यहाँ से पकड़ा और इसको पहले वाले हिस्से के ऊपर ले जाके बंद कर दिया और हमारा समोसा बन गया. बस सब जगह से दबा दिया and our samosa is ready. Just press it hard so that it doesn't open when we will be cooking. It might look very fragile, but once we will put in oil, it goes very well. Just, yeah, it's looking nice. Let's try once more. Okay, okay, yeah, and just close it properly. Okay, you can see it's very easy. You just have to be little confident and it goes very well. अपने फिलिंग को उसमें बंद कर दिया. Okay, just make all the samosas like this. Yeah, it's looking nice. Just keep this aside, and oil should not be very hot to fry this samosa. The oil should be medium high because we want to cook our samosa for a longer time so that this layer, the top layer, will become very crunchy and crispy. That's what we like in our samosa. उसको slowly लंबे टाइम तक कुक करना है and cook the samosa from both sides. You see, samosa. मस्त समोसा बन रहा है एकदम. Okay, and once the samosa are cooked, the top layer will become red, and take them one by one out and keep the heat to low, throw low or medium high, because otherwise you will just burn them. Okay, just put them in a kitchen towel, and my samosa is ready to be served. Oh, it's looking nice. See you soon again.